Now here the question is, a point moving around this circle with center at -4, -2 and radius 5 broke away from it either at the point A or point B on the circle and moved along a tangent to the circle, passing through the point this D 3, -3. Now we know that a moving point on a circle will go along its tangent, and since it says if it either goes from A or from B, it goes through the same point D. That means we are talking about pair of tangents drawn to this circle from this point D. So we have this circle with center at -4, -2, and then we have drawn two tangents at these points A and B, and these tangents, they pass through this point D, which is 3, -3. Center is at -4, -2, and that's your radius, which is 5 units. Now the first question is, find the equation of tangents at A and B. Now what we'll do is, we'll write equation of tangent to this circle in terms of slope of tangent. So we can write this as y plus 2 equals m, and x is x plus 4 plus minus r, and r in this case is 5 under root of 1 plus m square. Now here we are looking for the tangents which pass through the point D 3, -3. So we'll put y as -3 and x as +3. So now it'll be this -1, and then this is 7m plus 5 under root of 1 plus m square. We can also write this as plus minus 5 under root of 1 plus m square, and it will be equal to -1 minus 7m. Now if we square it, we can write 25 plus 25m square, and it will be equal to 1 plus 49m square plus 14m. Now 49m square minus 25m square is 24. So that will be 24m square plus 14m minus 24 equals 0, or 12m square plus 7m minus 12 equals 0. Now we can write this as 12m square plus 16m minus 9m minus 12 equals 0, or it will be this 4m, and there will be 3m plus 4, and then minus 3, and this is 3m plus 4 equals 0. So value of m will be either 3 by 4 or value of m is minus 4 by 3, and as we can see, product of slope is -1. That means this angle, it is 90 degrees. Now once we have m and we have this point, we can write equation of these tangents. So one of the equation will be y plus 3 equals 3 by 4 x minus 3, which is 3x minus 4y, and this is 12 minus 9 minus 21 equals 0, and the other one will be y plus 3 equals minus 4 by 3 x minus 3, which is 4x plus 3y minus 3 equals 0. So these are the equation of two tangents. Now the second question is, find the coordinates of the points A and B. Now once we have equation of tangents and we know the center, which is -4, -2, we know that these point of contacts are basically foot of perpendicular. So we'll use this foot of perpendicular formula to find the coordinates of these points A and B. So for this second part, first we're going to start with this line, which is 3x minus 4y minus 21 equals 0, and we'll find foot of perpendicular from center, which is -4 -2. Now this is x plus 4 upon 3, y plus 2 upon -4, and will be this minus, and then this is minus 12 plus 8 minus 21 upon 3 square plus 4 square. So it will be this x plus 4 upon 3, y plus 2 upon minus 4, and here this is 25 upon 25, which is 1. Now value of x is minus 1 and this is minus 6. So one of the point of contacts, say this point A, it is minus 1, minus 6. And now we'll take this other equation, which is 4x plus 3y minus 3 equals 0. And now we'll find foot of perpendicular from center. So it will be this x plus 4 upon 4 equals y plus 2 upon 3, and will be equal to this minus, and this is minus 16 minus 6 minus 3 upon 3 square plus 4 square, which again is 1. Now in this case, value of x is 0 and value of y is 1. So this other point is 0, 1. So coordinate of these points of contact, they are minus 1, minus 6 and 0, 1. Now this third question is, we need to find this angle ADB and the minimum and maximum distance of D from the circle. Now, as we have already seen that this slope is 3 by 4 and this slope is minus 4 by 3. Product of slope is minus 1. So basically this angle, it is 90 degrees. So we can simply write angle ADB, it is 90 degrees. And now we have to find minimum and maximum distance of this point D from this circle. Now what we'll do is, we'll find distance of this point from center. So it will be the CD. So we'll write CD, and that will be equal to under root of, now this is 3 minus of minus 4, 7. So it will be this 7 square plus, and this is minus 3 plus 2, 1, which is under root 50, and under root 50 is 5 root 2. Now this point, it is nearest to D, and this other end of diameter will be this farthest point. So this minimum distance will be simply CD minus this radius R. So it will be this 5 root 2 minus 5, and this maximum distance will be this CD plus R, and which is 5 root 2 plus 5. So this is how we find minimum and maximum distance of a point from a circle. Now it says we need to find area of quadrilateral ADBC and area of this triangle DAB. Now we already know that this angle is 90 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. And if it is 45, then this AD is 5. And this distance, it is 5 sine 45. So it will be this 5 by root 2 and 5 by root 2. Now first we'll write area of this quadrilateral ADBC. Now this is R into delta S. So basically it will be this AC into AD. Now AC is 5 and AD is also 5. So this area is 25. And we can also write area of this triangle ABD. Now this is half and then AB. Now AB is 2 times 5 by root 2 into this perpendicular distance, and it will also be 5 by root 2. Now this 2 and 2 will cancel. So this is 25 by 2, which is 12.5. So area of this triangle DAB is 12.5 square units. Now finally the fifth part, equation of circle circumscribing this triangle DAB. So equation of circle of this triangle DAB. Now basically this is a standard result. Circumcircle of this triangle DAB will pass through center of the circle. So basically CD is a diameter, and if CD is a diameter, then center of this new circle, say C dash, will be midpoint of CD. So this C dash will be minus 4 plus 3 upon 2. So that is minus 1 by 2, and here it is minus 2 minus 3 upon 2, which is minus 5 by 2, and its radius will be half the distance CD, and we know that this CD is 5 root 2, so its radius will be 5 by root 2. So equation of this circle will be x plus 1 by 2 square plus y plus 5 by 2 square, and that will be equal to 25 by 2. Now we can write this equation as x square plus x plus 1 by 4 plus y square plus 5y plus 25 by 4, and that will be equal to 25 by 2. Now 25 by 2 minus 25 by 4 is 25 by 4, and minus 1 by 4, that will be 24 by 4, and 24 by 4 is 6. So this equation will be x square plus y square plus x plus 5y minus 6 equals 0. And also we have to find intercept made by this circle on coordinate axis. Now we know that x-axis intercept is 2 times under root g square minus c, and y-axis intercept is twice under root f square minus c. Now this is 2 under root of, now what is g square? Now g in this case is 1 by 2, so there will be 1 by 4 plus 6. Now this is 25 by 4, so it will be simply 5. So value of x-axis intercept is 5, and value of y-axis intercept will be 2 into under root of, now f is 5 by 2, so there will be 25 by 4 plus 6. Now this is 25 plus 24, 49, 7 by 2, so it is 7. So length of x-axis intercept is 5, and length of y-axis intercept is simply 7. And that is the answer to this question.